Hi, mate. Yeah, you asked me how I'm able to crank out these top-notch swipe emails from my own list and clients as well, and able, therefore, to offer the service so cheap. Well, here's my secret weapon, and keep this one to yourself, please. Let's actually use Kevin Fahey's free AI money as an example. This is the JV page, and all we need to do is scroll down to find the link for the sales page, and if I open that up in a new tab, and then we'll head over to that page, so you can see the sales page is already up and running because Kevin's always ahead of the game. It's not actually launched yet, or not reopened, whatever. So all I'm going to do is grab the URL for the sales page itself from the top here. So I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to head back over to my black box email system. So in the email creator itself, we've got access to 24 different types of copy styles. Each has its own distinctive voice and style of copy. So basically I've got every type of content and every client's needs covered under these 24 different types. And back at the top, we've got the option to rewrite existing emails, create a single email, or create a sequence of emails. What I'm going to do is simply click on the create a single email, pop into here, and I'm going to pop in that URL for Kevin's sales page and click on the autofill option. What that's going to do is go and look at the sales page and grab the bits that it needs to populate these different fields for me, which will take a few seconds to complete. There we go, it's already done. And with all the info filled in, if I just scroll down to the bottom, we've got our different copy styles here. So those are the 24 different styles. I'm going to go with Conversion Catalyst. And then we have different structures for the emails themselves. And we've got a few options here. Let's go with the Value Spotlight. Then all we need to do is click on Generate, and the black box will go away and start doing its business. Now it does take a moment to think about things, but you can see it's already started here. Then it basically spits out my email ready to use. Now obviously you should always read through to check and make any tweaks that you want to, but that is essentially my email done. I mean, that was what, a minute, less than a minute? I wasn't at timing, so I'm not sure. But now you can see why I'm able to bang out high quality swipes for clients in no time at all. And you've got the option to save them, to create an email library. If I pop across to mine, basically this allows you to build a library of the stuff that you've created for your own promos and for clients, and check back on which combinations of copy style and structure got you the best results. So really basically mega useful for testing and tracking to push up your results for your clients. Being able to continually get better results for your clients, it's just the easiest way to keep them happy and on board. And obviously that works for your own lists and promotions too. That's a really quick look around inside. Basically hit me up on Skype or Facebook if you want to chat about getting a copy for yourself. Just remember, this thing isn't exactly cheap, but then it really depends on what you do with it. It's making me a mint and saving me hours on my work for my clients. So yeah, I hope this helps, mate. I reckon it'll revolutionize your email business. Let's chat soon.